to give the exams. The major interviews, our students and our youngsters will not have to travel far. Right here, exams as well as the interviews will be held right here in Tura. There could be some interviews where there are only 2 posts or 3 posts, where logically it becomes difficult for MPSC to host multiple venues for limited number of posts. Those cases being an exception, majority of the exams and majority of the interviews will be held, as I said, right here in this campus and this office in Tura for the Garo Hills region. Our next step is to now further expand this process to make this facility available to our youth from Jaintia Hills. And I hope our chairman, being from Jaintia Hills himself, will take this initiative to ensure that Jaintia Hills also must get this infrastructure so that children can have their exams right there. Sometimes people used to ask me, so Jowai is only 1 hour away from Shillong. Do we really need to have an office there? So I tell people, Jaintia Hills is not just Jowai. Jaintia Hills is also Ratachera. So for a person to reach from Ratachera to Jowai itself is 4 hours. Then from Jowai to Shillong is 1 hour. It's a very, very long distance, and that's still the main highway. There are many interior locations where the youth will take hours and hours to reach Shillong. And therefore it is our endeavor, whether it is MPSC or whether it is any government service, we want to ensure that we are able to make the services accessible to the citizens and to the youth and the people of our state.